Embark on a journey through time, exploring the pivotal figures who shaped our understanding of space science, from the ancient wisdom of Aristotle to the groundbreaking theories of Stephen Hawking. Scientific ideas are not static, they evolve as human understanding grows. Each thinker challenges the assumptions of the past, revealing that science is a dynamic process rather than a mere collection of facts. In ancient times, the universe was perceived through common sense. The Earth felt stationary, and the sky appeared to move, with intuition dominating reasoning in the quest to understand our world. Aristotle envisioned a universe with Earth at its center, surrounded by circular and perfect heavens. His ideas were reasonable for his time, emphasizing motion and causality in the cosmos. Ptolemy introduced a geocentric model with epicycles to enhance predictive accuracy. His approach highlighted the importance of prediction over explanation in understanding the universe. Science transcended regional boundaries, with civilizations across the globe engaging in observational astronomy. Despite differing goals, the pursuit of understanding the sky was a shared human endeavor. India's astronomical tradition focused on calendar-based astronomy and a cyclic concept of time, emphasizing calculation and prediction over cosmological exploration. Āryabhaṭa revolutionized astronomy by explaining Earth's rotation and providing accurate planetary periods, showcasing computational precision in his mathematical approach. Varāhamihira and Bhāskara II expanded mathematical astronomy with comprehensive texts and improved calculations, focusing on computation and prediction in their scientific endeavors. Copernicus challenged the geocentric view with his heliocentric theory, sparking a scientific revolution and revealing Earth as a planet among others, driven by observation and reason. Galileo's telescopic observations unveiled moons of Jupiter and sunspots, emphasizing evidence over authority and reshaping our understanding of the universe. Newton's laws of gravity unified the Earth and heavens, providing mathematically precise principles that enabled a mechanical view of the universe. Einstein transformed physics with his theories of relativity, linking energy and mass, and introducing the concept of cosmic expansion, challenging common-sense perceptions. Edwin Hubble expanded our view of the cosmos, revealing its vastness and the universe's expansion, focusing on observation and measurement to understand cosmic distances. Stephen Hawking explored the mysteries of black holes and singularities, providing key insights into quantum cosmology and the origins of the universe. From ancient India to modern science, humanity's exploration of the cosmos is built on observation, calculation, and expanding beyond old ideas, unified by the laws of nature and driven by curiosity.